That's the second part of your gift.
So Danielle actually really surprised me with this because I didn't expect this.
What's up guys? Okay, so it's Chad's birthday. It's like really early right now. It's about 7 o'clock. I'm gonna give him his gift right now. He's in the room with Chase. I told him not to come downstairs so I could set it up. I had this chair in the garage, his gaming chair. I got him for his birthday because this chair behind me, he's been carrying this chair up and down the stairs. So he's been carrying it from our computer upstairs to his gaming station downstairs. So I decided that I needed to get him a gaming chair. So I got him a gaming chair and I set it up, and I'm gonna go give him for his birthday right now. And I made this card. You guys can see. And everybody wrote on it. Chase and Andrew with this horrible handwriting. So everybody wrote. And we're gonna go bring him downstairs now. So Andrew also got him this headphone because his other headphone is like really old. So we're gonna go surprise him. This is his birthday gift. Well, one of his birthday gifts. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Look at him with caca.
Look at Jace. Don't know what's going on. Hey daddy.
You see my eyes right now?
How does it feel to be old?
I'm tired.
How does it feel to be old?
I feel like I'm 55, senior citizen around here, getting my discounts.
Okay, let's go get your gift.
What gift?
Come on, take
You
Chase.
buy me a gift.
Chase bought you something.
Chase buy me something.
He got all.
Chase buy me something. I go gonna see what Chase buy me.
Chase got all the money around here.
Chase buy me something. Chase buy me something.
What do you think it is? Chaddy's the absolute worst when it comes to birthdays because he's just the worst.
Why am I the worst? You don't even explain that I'm the worst.
He's just the worst.
Why? Because I can't figure out where you got me?
Yeah. Guys, I've been scheming. Stop.
Okay, I'll stop. I'm not looking. Chase.
Guys, I've been scheming and trying to get this on the down low because it's so hard to hide. And this boy, every day he's just like, did you get my chair? Did you get my chair? But what did he get? And I told him I didn't get him that. So now we're going to see what actually got him.
Can I come now?
Come.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay. I don't have no contacts or nothing right now, so I can't see. Alright. I see the balloons.
Oh, you can't see?
I see a big happy birthday card. And I see a chair. I see a lovely gaming chair right here. Oh, it's a headphone.
Andrew got you.
Oh, Drew got me this?
Headphones.
Yo, shout out to Drew. Shout out to Chasey right here that got me this.
Oh, just Chasey? Where Chasey got money from.
Come here. I love you, baby. Thank you. I love you, baby. Thank you.
Guys.
Kiss mommy too. Kiss mommy too.
Guys, he's the worst.
Yes.
He's like,
yes.
You got my chair yet? You got my chair yet? You got my chair yet?
Look what this card says. Happy birthday. You're the man. You're the man, the old man, but still the man. I don't know if you call me old. Me not old.
You're old.
I'm still young. Okay, hold on. That Chase right. Me never know Chase can write. Babe, thank you so much. I really appreciate this.
You're not gonna read
when
what,
did you do this?
You're not gonna read what Chase wrote?
Oh yeah, I read it. I love you. Best dad ever.
Chase, he took so much time out of his day to write that for you.
First of all, you write that, God.
Chase.
You write that.
See, he's saying he wrote it.
Happy birthday, daddy. You see, you wrote that.
He wrote it.
Babe, this is nice. I was surprised with this one. This one surprised me. When did you do this?
Just cool.
Yo, the chair smell new. The chair.
Let's give them a up and down. Yeah. Get out of it. You're freeing the balloon. I was gonna get a black chair, well, one with red, but then I asked him to pick a color one day.
And I said blue.
And he said blue.
Yeah.
So
before I was younger, I had too much red things, so I actually had to change.
But the black one was really nice, but then I'm like, maybe the black one's too boring.
Yo, but thanks, babe, for the chair. That I really needed that when I was playing video games.
Well, guys, he's been going up and down the stairs with the old chair because the other one broke. So every time he edits, he takes it down the stairs to play video games.
That is so true.
So.
And the headphones on again, actually, yeah, because the headphones I'm having is 2011 headset. Yeah, man, it still work.
So guys, we're gonna go on the road right now.
Yeah.
We have to do one errand before we can start enjoying the birthday. So we're gonna.
Yeah, actually, we can tell them what we're doing.
So we had to wake up early because Chase has his doctor's appointment, his 6-month heart checkup. So we're gonna do that. So we didn't get to do like breakfast and anything nice. So we're just gonna grab something on the road because it's kind of like a Hawaii.
Yeah. And yeah, we're just gonna go do that.
And then after we finish that appointment, we're gonna start back with our birthday celebrations.
Yeah, because you know, in life you gotta have celebration. If you don't have celebration, you don't have life.
Chad says that after 25 birthdays, birthdays don't get celebrated.
Yeah, you know what's crazy? Like after you turn 25, you don't really care about birthdays that much, but this birthday is really starting out really good because you know.
Yeah, because guess what? Guess what he's gonna do?
What?
He's gonna go on games tonight and play all night. And you know what? He knows I can't say anything because it's his birthday.
My birthday. Everything we say yes to, okay? we can't say no. The words no is out of the vocabulary, okay? You take it out of the dictionary. There's no such word as no, okay?
Okay, whatever.
Okay? We're gonna go get ready and go to Chase's doctor thing. Yeah. His thing is gonna take forever today.
Yeah, because they have to do the x-ray again and all of that. So it takes really long. So we're gonna get ready right now and go there. Hopefully we'll look human and next time you see us.
Smell the chair from here, right, guys? Right now we can smell the chair. It smells new. Thank you guys for your love and support. You guys can go ahead and comment down happy birthday if you guys want.
Yes, guys, spam the comments. Happy birthday, Chad.
We love you.
Hashtag Senior Citizen Day.
Alright, we're gonna. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we just left Chase's appointment. He still has a tiny little hole, but it's so small that they're not gonna do anything until his checkup next year. And she said even if it stays this small, they're still not gonna do anything because it's like really small, and it's smaller than the last time when we went. So he's good. And now the parents are really hungry, so the parents have to find food. So we're going to go to somewhere nearby and get some brunch. Are you hungry?
I am hungry. I haven't ate nothing all day. Help me. I'm starving.
We're gonna feed the birthday boy before he tells everyone that we starved him on his birthday.
This is the place to go. It's called the Alchemist. We're gonna find out if it's good or not. Yeah, looks nice inside. Well, outside actually, I should say. It looks, yeah, it looks different outside. It looks like one of them Hogwarts place.
Yeah. We're gonna find out today.
We in Hogwarts right now. What do you think, Danny? We're in Hogwarts. Which way are we going? Are we gonna sing some vocals, dance? We are gonna go some theater, yoga, art. Which one we are pick? None? Food? Yo, this place is nice. Set up nice, guys. Look at it. Oh, this is epic. Yo, you see this? This is like what, grinding coffee?
Yeah.
Damn. It's shot, guys. Look, it's like a cart. Roast or fry, roast or fry. See that? Roasting station. Here we have a lovely iced coffee, guys. Look at this. Then he's gonna taste hers.
It has condensed milk.
Condensed milk.
It's a little sweet, but it's nice.
Nice. As you can see, Chase is knocked out, guys. We had to go for the stroller.
Guys,
feel like I drink Milo right now.
Yeah, it's really Milo. It has condensed milk. I've never been somewhere and had condensed milk.
Yeah, it's nice and simmering. Right now I'm excited, guys. I don't need to be drinking to be enjoying my birthday.
Yeah, that's not yet. He's probably gonna drink later.
Alright, yeah. So far so good. I'm just hungry.
Yeah, we're starving
from morning.
So we're gonna show you when the food gets here.
Yeah.
So the second part of my gift was that I upgraded Chad's phone for him, because if you watched the last vlog, you saw that his phone was like not gonna happen. So it was about to like fall apart, the back's cracked, he can't take no front way screenshots or nothing. He's been borrowing my phone for the couple weeks. So because I managed the phone bill, I upgraded his phone, but then they texted his phone number and told him that his phone is on the way. So they kind of outed me, so I think he's expecting this. So I upgraded it to the iPhone Pro, 11 Pro. It came in the mail, and I just got these from Publix. So these are just some chocolate covered strawberries. I didn't really do cake because I'm not really having anything today. We're actually gonna celebrate on the weekend, and I just thought this would be something cute and quick. So I got these chocolate covered strawberries from Publix, and I'm gonna bring them both to him now. So let's see, he's upstairs. That's the second part of your gift.
Guys,
he knew he was getting it because he got the text.
you made a mistake and put my number.
It's not a mistake, it was an upgrade, so of course they're gonna text your number.
Guys, when I saw it, I was like, yes! Yes! Finally.
Yeah, because I'm tired of you borrowing my phone.
Guys, I don't know, my phone is actually
You showed them in the last video. It was horrible.
No, we didn't really show them. It was,
oh
I
no,
told you guys.
yeah.
My phone is downstairs.
It looks horrible.
The whole lot, basically the whole lot right here just chip out, like the whole of the glass. So I needed to upgrade. I've been taking L's with the phones.
And since I'm the phone manager, imagine I upgraded you.
I borrow your phone all the time. Let's talk about these right now. Guys, nothing more excites me when I see almond and chocolate. And now we got strawberry, almond, and chocolate in here. I see that we got some chocolate chips.
I see that Chase wants some.
And I see Chase wants some too. And also I see some sprinkles. Yo, these look good, not lie.
Can I eat them first? Anyway guys, so we're gonna go to bowl after this.
And this is what I'm gonna do.
And he's not even interested in bowling anymore. He wants to just open this.
Yeah guys, yeah. Oh, smells brand new.
Oh my god. So my two surprise is Flake, because he already knew what he was getting.
It's true, because
the whole week he's like, you got my chair? You getting my chair? How do you know I'm getting a chair? I just know I'm getting a chair.
Guys, it's because I keep mentioning it. Me know she's gonna get it for me.
That's why I should have returned it and got you something else.
My new favorite toy right now.
He got midnight green.
I got midnight green. Actually, Danny heard me over talking this, right?
Yeah.
You over hear me saying
I know you wanted the green.
You smell it, guys.
Hint, hint. My phone needs an upgrade too. Hint, hint.
I guess you gotta wait till December, your birthday.
Oh my god, no.
Yo, no, like, thank you, baby. Thank you.
Well,
although I knew this was coming.
Although it's gonna be on your phone bill.
Although I knew this was coming because I got the text message.
You're annoying.
You see the new phone?
I see you're going in.
Guys, if you guys don't know, I'm not really a big fan of cake. So
yeah.
Danielle actually really surprised me with this because I didn't expect this.
You thought I was going to get a cake?
Right here. Oh, this has Oreos too.
Yeah, it's
fire, and it just has the regular chocolate.
I thought they were going to put a little bit more finesse, but
you think it was like
some of them look a little slapdash.
But these look good.
But
I'm about to clobber this one right here.
Jesus.
I feel like I'm in heaven. You guys want a piece?
Yeah, give me a piece. No.
And this tastes good.
Well, I know you're not gonna eat the cake, and nobody's gonna eat a cake, and it's gonna stay in the fridge, and no one's gonna eat it.
Chase, I wish you could taste this because this shot.
He can eat the inside. After Chad finishes his
yeah, guys,
coma.
We're gonna take you straight to bowling right now. Are you guys ready? 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 Comment down below right now, guys. Spam the comment section right now. Let's go to bowling. 1, 2, 3. We are back home today, guys. I want to say thank you to my beautiful wife right here, Mr. Chasey.
Yeah, thank you.
Mr. Chasey was a real trooper. He actually stayed through the whole thing. Yeah. At the Monster Golf. I couldn't film that much because it was too low with the music and stuff like that. Guys, guess what? Why we didn't go bowling? There was a bowling league keeping at the same time, and not just one bowling bowling place. It was multiple bowling places. Like them book out the whole thing.
Yeah, apparently there's like what, 14 weeks?
Yeah, it's just a league of 14 weeks. And during this time, it's like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Not even Saturday, Sunday, but I mean Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Tuesdays are apparently the hot days.
They were telling us, and yeah, it's basically we couldn't go.
No.
So we said, all right, plan B would be go to the Monster Golf. Actually, Drew figure out let's go there, and we said, all right, let's go there, because you know we actually wanted to do something. We didn't want to just go home, you know, it was kind of a bit boring and stuff like that. But you know, in life you're gonna have challenges, and you just have to overcome it. And my birthday was a challenge today. Thanks to my beautiful wife, she actually surprised me with.
Oh my God! Yeah, right.
Drew's laughing. But I actually found out before it happened.
The only thing he was surprised about was those strawberries.
The strawberries caught me off guard, I ain't gonna lie.
Everything else he was like, I know I was gonna get it.
Yeah, the chair is because I was preaching the chair. But the iPhone, actually surprised you upgraded my iPhone.
I did not, that was not a surprise, you got the email.
Well, it was a shocker that you were going to do that. Before the birthday.
When you got the email? Next time you're gonna get air pie.
Listen, in life,
no more presents.
Guys, I want to say thank you guys for your love and support. I know you guys been commenting on Instagram. If you guys can follow us on Instagram right here. But yeah, and yeah, what you want to say? You had fun with the birthday? Huh? You had fun on the birthday? You had fun on the birthday?
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, I must say I thank you guys for your love and support. I've been getting a lot of love on social media. Thank you guys for your love and support.
It's old now, guys.
Yeah, I feel like an old man. That's why I have to have this chair, because you know my back.
Sure, that's why you have the chair. He's just gonna use that chair and play more video games. I should have thought it through.
Haters will hate. Alright guys, I love you guys. Thank you guys for your love and support. We're gonna sayonara. Babe, I must say thank you again.
Notifications.
Notifications. How did I forget? I joke, man. I was going to tell you guys. First notification shout out goes to
Stacy Ricketts.
Big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. Second notification shout out goes to
Vanessa Singh.
Big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. Third and final notification shout out goes to
Alvina Thornhill.
Big up your damn self, you're gonna go right here. Thank you guys for your love and support. We can't say this enough. Subscribe if you haven't been a part of the family. Go ahead and share this video, you know. Maybe you get some ideas of sharing this video with your boyfriend and buying him stuff. He probably tell you, say, yo, you want a chair too, you know. yeah, probably that's what's gonna happen, you know, and you have to go buy a chair for him too.
At least he'll be surprised.
honestly, I was a bit surprised today. I actually kind of deep down knew that she was gonna get me the chair, because I actually asked her for the chair, so it's not like I wasn't surprised that much. But you know, the strawberries got me.
Oh my God.
I'm trying to justify something, okay?
You're trying to justify.
Okay guys, love you guys and thank you guys again. Peace.